All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I got something pretty cool. Doucette Shogun Tanto right over here in the pouch. But again, this is one of those videos where I'm just commenting the video because I lost the audio. So there's going to be a bunch of videos in the channel with just my commentary, so you're not going to be hearing anything. So I was probably saying like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below as I'm showing you this beast of a knife right over here, Doucette, measuring overall 22.5 centimeters, probably get 10 centimeters for the handle and 12.5 for the, sorry, that was the blade and this is the handle, guys. I'm losing it. I lost the audio. Here you get to see Greg Lightfoot reactor and Elijah Witt's Spada on top. Look at those big boys. Just to show you another, just a few custom that I have lying around on the table. Marble, camo, carbon fiber, set of scales for this titanium bolstered beast. Would you look at that? Pretty cool line at the end of the bolster, nicely fitted. 3 screws holding the bolster together. Probably I would have preferred no screws, but it looks good in this one. You get a marble carbon fiber flip as, a pocket clip as well, matching the scales and the back spacer, which is floating right over there. That's very, very interesting. I believe the blade was S90V steel. Correct me if I'm wrong, if somebody knows. But anyways, here I'm just observing how cool this floating back spacer is. 4 washers are suspending this thing, and there's a pin going through to allow you to use a lanyard right over there at the heel of the blade, going through there. This is a flipper, guys, and nice hardware, of course, dark. And then this is flipping like crazy. I'm so sorry you guys cannot hear the sound. This is a double clutch sounding knife. Very, very menacing, very cool. Doucette, look at that grind right there. Beautifully done. Amazing jimping, like it fits just like your thumb. And you have a nice wedge, polished armor tip. Look at that. Something, yeah, that I'm not a fan of is the font of Doucette that he's using on the show side. But that place where you place oh my God, it's just so perfect. It gives you an extra layer of grippiness to this beast of a blade. And this flipper tab extending throughout the bolster is also giving you like a finger guard, so you are even more locked into place with this handle. Pretty smooth. I remember distinctively it was very, very smooth in that region, which I like to explore closely. I mean, there's no weight reduction on the inside of the liners. You get a couple bolsters. Of course, the bolster is acting as an over-travel lock bar stabilizer, acid washed blade with some pretty cool holes. The jimping is phenomenal, perfectly centered. You get a phenomenal action, guys. This is flipping hard. I remember, and I'm so sorry you cannot hear the sound because it would be sounding amazing. It was a clack clack, a double clutch. Actually, I can try to reenact clack clack. Look at that. Sounds beautiful. Yeah, trust me, it's pretty good. Runs on bearings. You get 7 holes. That's some weight reduction. Hollow grind on that bevel. You get a flat grind. Tanto tip. Look at that. Oof, guys. So you have a dual, dual tone for the blade, kinda, right? Here, probably I'm complaining about the font. I mean, complaining. I'm just saying that it's not my preferred font. What else? Sterile looking on the lock side. Love it. What else? Oh, action. Oof, smooth. Of course, big blade. It's pretty chunky, but it just can chop your fingers off. Yeah. So be careful. Keep your fingers away from that guillotine. Nice detent. And here is the double clutch again. Action that I'm so sorry that you cannot hear. Anyways. Pretty cool, pretty smooth. Of course, it's a heavy blade, and this, yeah, this for sure feels good. Look at those finger grooves right there. Look at those lines. Very, very interesting. It's a nice design, Canadian fella. Capable of doing some pretty cool stuff. I can understand it might be not everyone's cup of tea. Some people might say that these are like too aggressive, but I understand. I mean, they are. There's taste and there's flavors for everybody. So don't worry about that. This is a very well made knife. I am telling you, and it felt amazing in the hand. It was perfectly fiddling my hand, and with the ergos on this handle are like, yeah, pretty good. Nice swedge again. What else? All around, fit and finish, no complaints whatsoever. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.